Hello there, welcome back to the channel. Here I have a very quick clip cleaning some of these newer rubber mats. In this case, I actually didn't have a hose. I was just using my pump sprayer with a little bit of O&R inside mixed with warm water, and that's it. I don't have any hose to rinse it off, and in order to dry it, I'm just using a microfiber towel, and you can still get great professional results even when you're lacking in some of these resources. So as you can see here, I have a couple of pretty dirty mats in them. They look like they have had mud or dirt from shoes really mashed in there, but there's no really bad staining, there's no large debris here, just your average everyday use. I give it a quick soak down with my pump sprayer filled with optimum no rinse and warm water. Let that sit for a couple seconds to really soak in there and loosen up the dust and dirt, and then you can go in with a medium bristle hand brush and clean it thoroughly. At the end, once again, give it another rinse with O&R, try and pump your pump sprayer so it has maximum pressure, and then try to get everything off of that rubber mat. Once it's finished, you can leave it to air dry, and if you notice it's drying a little bit weirdly, maybe it has a little bit of residue, you can always work it again and go in with your brush. And then when you're done, take a damp microfiber cloth and wipe it down thoroughly and let it dry. This is a great, easy way to get things done even if you don't have access to a hose. Of course, these mats weren't horrible. If they were worse than this, I may have no choice but to bring out the hose, but in this case, this can be a great bit of advice for those detailers who want to do things quickly and without bringing out the heavy equipment. I have optimum no rinse and warm water. As you can see here, I'm spraying them down and then putting them off to the side to air dry, and later on I will go back over with a damp microfiber cloth and give them a thorough final dry down. Inside the pump sprayer,